Y'all, alright, well, do mind the wind noise in the back. It's coming from that. Let's break the nuts loose. You got a 17 and my trusted gun. Right there. So, let's jack it up. Get yourself some good old Loctite. Just a little bit. Right there. Oh, that's some leakage. Stick that in there. And then when my new wheels come in, like I said, I'm going to clean this up better. I just don't have the rotary tool with me. Alright. Do the last 3 and you're good to go. From What's Your Forte? You know, isn't this like the norm on the BMW mods? Like the first that most BMW guys do is install some wheel studs. Got my stopper. I mean, the rear e-brake is on, so I don't need to worry about the screwdriver. And actually, it's supposed to be under, but whatever. So, there we go. Torque down. Let's do the other 4. Installed some good old wheel studs, right? Because who wants to draw in bolts? Make sure you clean this out a little bit. I used a wire brush, but whenever I install my new wheels, I will clean this better because I forgot my gun, the rotary gun, or drill, excuse me. So I'm now gonna tighten these, and these look a lot better than freaking these. Tighten this is you put a screwdriver in your brake discs, holding this and turning here, you'll hear the audible click, and then you're good to go. Do that for all of them in a star pattern. At least that's how I do it. I do it in a star pattern. I'm gonna torque these to 25 foot-pounds. The Allen keys is 7/32, so I just tighten it by hand. I'm gonna use my torque wrench to torque these down, which I'm gonna put a screwdriver or a long piece in here and turn it. It's at 6, not a 7/32. I'm sorry. So I know it doesn't say it on here, but right here, 6. Okay, best method. Put the screwdriver right there. Stick this in here, just like that. That's a 6. Right, bring it down low enough. You see that you don't have to hold anything. And watch, I've already torqued it, so right there. Now you're good to go. I'll catch y'all next time. All right, y'all.